Let me be honest with you. If I woke up tomorrow with zero money, zero connections, zero safety net, I wouldn't panic. Because starting from nothing isn't the real problem. Starting without a plan is. There was a time when I felt behind, watching everyone else move forward. And one day I asked myself, would I know how to rebuild? That question changed everything. First, I wouldn't chase money. I'd invest in learning a high-income skill. Not 10 skills, not 20, just one. Video editing, sales, copywriting, digital marketing. When you have skills, opportunities start looking for you. I wouldn't wait for perfection. I'd start freelancing immediately, even if someone paid me $5. Confidence comes from doing real work. When money comes, I wouldn't upgrade my lifestyle. I'd live cheap. Very cheap. Early money isn't for showing off. It's fuel. Something that works even when I'm sleeping. Trading time for money is survival. Systems are freedom. Comparison is expensive. It steals focus. Am I better than last week's version of me? Success is boring consistency stacked daily. I wouldn't look for shortcuts. I'd build value. Money follows usefulness. Become useful enough. And starting from zero becomes your greatest advantage.